Hey guys, Nathaniel again. I think this is the end of chapter 1. We've done a lot. We've gone ahead and set up an initial repository, an initial Meteor project that works. We've gone ahead and added in a functional package.json. We then added some hooks. The first hook that we added is a pre-commit hook, which will ensure that all of our style is consistent throughout the site. The next hook that we added was a pre-push hook. So this won't be called as many times, but it will be extremely important to make sure all the code that's pushed finally into the code that's in production will at least pass the tests. We then added a commit message hook, which will make sure that engineers that are going into our project in the future all stick to the exact same standards and people understand what's being committed every single time. And you can notice these commits go from very, very vague to a little bit more important. And then we've gone ahead and tested it all out, seen what it looks like, and explained hopefully thoroughly how this might help your development experience. Okay, so we've got one more section which is going to be a one-person job, and then we're going to be moving towards things that are a little bit more decentralized. In the next section, we're going to be talking about these exact same tools and techniques, but we're going to be applying them instead of to local changes, to global changes, to server-side changes. So all of these things can be bypassed. But it should help people at least understand what the prescription is to writing good, consistent code. All these things can be bypassed, but if we install them on the server level as well, at least when we go ahead and make the final pushes to the removable repository, they'll be stopped if they aren't compliant to code standards. Okay. So I hope you guys have learned a lot. I hope this has helped you a little bit in understanding what are the steps in order to actually start a software project. Because I know that going this the hard way is quite awful, but I don't want to reiterate what I talked about in the intro. So thanks again. I'll see you guys for chapter 2.